This is my favorite type of app. It's called a branded utility app. The reason it's a branded utility is a brand is doing something of high utility for its audience. Let's start with Nike. I buy the running shoes, the aspirational commercials just do it. I buy in, I'm a runner. I am really not a runner. This is just me playing a scenario, just so you know. And I not only buy the running shoes, I now take Nike along with me on my runs. I will go ahead and use the Nike app to chart the location, to fill a playlist. Whether I want to take a nice, relaxing 1-mile run to Air Supply, or whether I want to hit it really hard and do a 10K to Metallica, I can do that through this app. And it lets me see how I've done on my run. It's there with me with attaboy, you're going great messages. You really can load messages that say attaboy. I wonder if they have attagirl messages too. We'll have to figure that out. Messages that keep it going, and it charts the course. Plus, we've got community functionality out of it. Here comes mobile social media. You can meet other people with like preferences, beauty of social media, and you can go back and forth on how your personal record was and your personal best was. And again, this just increases what? The utility of the brand Nike. Not when I'm buying the shoes, when I've left the store. So now Nike really does follow me in ways that make my life better. This makes me so happy when I see strategies like this. It doesn't take having to have multi-million dollars to figure out for your brands, how can you add utility? Remember I talked about Hoovers earlier? With Hoovers, this is actually a free app. This is $9.99 and well worth the cost because I'm a sales professional per se. I have downloaded, remember what sales professionals are? Road warriors. That's why iPads and iPhones and all these smartphones are beautiful for them, right? I've downloaded all my prospects, and now I've flown from New York to Kentucky, and I'm able to find out what prospects are near here, near me. And it just makes my life, my work, my activities easier, better, faster. Better, faster, and easier wins the day for B2B mobile. For B2C, it's usually fun and entertaining or helpful. But these are two beautiful examples of a branded utility. I have now been a really smart marketer at Nike because I've decided how to help my target audience and how to keep them engaged. I've been a really smart marketer at Hoovers, not me, but I'm just saying that part, that I have helped our customers extend beyond what they're using at their laptop. And these are the first in both their fields to do it. Oh, another beautiful thing about mobile. If you get on the mobile case now, you can have what's called a first mover advantage. When I was in business school, we talked about first mover advantages a lot. Those are really important, nifty things. These technologies are enabling this for us. And that's one of the biggest arguments I give in boardrooms is that we talk about first mover advantages a lot. Why aren't we leveraging them when we have them?